My name is Louis DeJesus, and I'm the CEO of CompanyBox. CompanyBox's mission is basically to try to be the number one provider of digital packaging. From that standpoint, we're one of the first. Actually, we are the first with two C500s built back to back. A big chunk of the business is two-color or two-sided printing. So the two C500s being linked together allows us to go ahead and run everything seamlessly. As we transition a lot of business from litho to digital, the market is still trying to learn it. And so when we run product, we're going to be running a large order for a CPG company. They're going to want to see a sample to give them comfort level that the digital printing is very similar to the litho product. And so this is where the Zund table comes in, very handy, because we'll go ahead and run some samples, get them to them immediately, Federal Express them. They're able to look at it the next day, and then we can turn on the C500s to let her rip with some large orders.
So my name is Cal DeJesus. I'm the president here at CompanyBox. So we tried several different cutters in the market. Zund was our choice, of course. We chose them because the reliability, the learning curve for our operators to be able to catch up and understand how to run the machine, and then the speed, obviously. So speed, quality, those two things kind of go hand in hand, and that's why we chose Zund.
We consider the modularity of the Zund table, pretty beneficial to us. So I can buy a couple with a board handling system robotics. I can buy another table that does not have it, and then when the business warrants it, we can add that to it. That really, really helps.
So we're going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to expand, bring on new technology, bring on more cutting capabilities. We're always trying to be the cutting edge in the market. So new technology, new equipment, giving the best product to our end customer is our priority, and we want to stay with our number one goal was to be the number one digital packaging company in the United States. So that's what we're setting out to do.